would you like to go from something looking like this in your old Dodge Ram pickup to this? Isn't that way better than that old factory radio? It's so much nicer. You can watch YouTube, you can read the comments, scroll through, read comments. You can go home, you can go to Pandora, you can browse your stations on Pandora. It's so much better than that old stock radio, guys. If you're still rocking the stock one, you are definitely missing out. You guys need to upgrade to one of these buggers. You can go to TikTok, so you can go to your profile, close that, check that out. Watch your own videos if you want. All right from the comfort of your own front seat. All this thanks to Aucarauto, guys. Aucarauto.com. Use coupon code TEMPTATION60 to get $60 off this touchscreen. They do make them for different makes and models of vehicles and everything, guys, so definitely check them out. Yeah, look at that. Nice and responsive. Go here, you can read comments. You click on it. Pretty neat. Swipe up. Swipe up. Another one. Really cool, guys. Check it out. Highly recommended. Definitely a must-have. Stop rocking that old radio and upgrade to a new one. All right, hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel, Temptation Off-Road. We have a very special series of videos for you. I was lucky enough to be contacted by a company, Aucarauto. They reached out to me and were wondering if I wanted to try out a new 12.1 inch touchscreen for the 09 to 2012 Dodge Ram pickups. And of course I said, heck yeah, I want to. So that's what brings us here today. We have an unboxing we're gonna do, then we'll have an install video we're gonna do, and then we'll run down all the features and stuff. So in talking with Aucarauto, we come up with a great deal for you guys. If you guys use a coupon code TEMPTATION60, you will get $60 off if you buy one of these in-dash touch screens from their website. So it's a great deal. Let's check out their product. So we're gonna unbox this. I already cut the tape to make it a little easier for you. Make it a little easier for me to get undone. But it was, as you can see here, it was packaged up nice. I have not seen this yet. So we'll take a look. I know it does open that way. Hopefully I'll get out of the shadow here. Spin this around. Installation manual for 2009 to 2012 Dodge Ram in-dash touchscreens. Oh, that's a nice, they give you a nice set of instructions here on how to install this bugger. A bunch of pages, whole bunch of pages showing what to do, so that's nice. Even comes with a nice thick user manual showing how to use it, how to set everything up. Excellent feature right there. I know some of these they have a lot of questions on. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, this looks like it goes this way. Let's see how, oh yeah, all right. So here it is, it's an all-in-one assembly. A nice, great big touch screen here. Look at that bugger. That looks nice. Then you got your tow haul, your exhaust brake, your traction control, hazard lights, 12-volt plug-in, parking sensors, and your light load buttons, all built in right on the top here. That is built in super nice. Man, does that look good. Here's the back of it, where you plug everything in it. And And then let's be careful with this. Set that over here. That's why I had the carpet over here, so we keep everything nice. What do we have here? Oh, here's your other side panel, your little tray. Give you a new one of them. That's nice. Another cable. What do we got? A couple other little covers. Another cover, a little bezel type cover. And then we have all your harnesses and wiring and stuff right here. So we'll get into all that on the install video, see what all we need to hook this stuff up with. But it's all pretty much plug and play from what I understand, so we'll just go through and get it hooked up. See how hard it is, but shouldn't be too terrible, I don't believe. And that would be everything. Yeah, the bottom is just stuck down to the tape on the bottom. But there's the new screen. So that bugger will look a heck of a lot better than the old one. Let's get a look at the old one that's in there now. So right now, climb up in this monster. Right now, here's what's in here. So that other one is what will be going in here, which will look a heck of a lot nicer. And those tow haul buttons will be up here. So yeah, can't wait to get these things swapped out. Gonna look so much better, guys. But yeah, stay tuned for the install video. That'll be my next one. This is just kind of an unboxing and look at this one here. And it does feature, this guy does feature Android 13. It has Bluetooth. It has wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can do Sirius XM through the app and through Android Auto, stuff like that. Yeah, it has the maps built right into it. It has day and night mode, so it will get dim based off of what your automatic headlights do, or time, like a timer I believe you can have set for time of day to dim it. So we'll try and dive into all those features in another video, but right now this is an unboxing, and I must say it looks really nice. Again, this is from aucarauto.com, and I will have the coupon code in the description, so you guys can get $60 off of that bugger. And yeah, I'll give you my final thoughts in a future video here, but so far it looks really nice, and it's got the protective plastic on the screen. So yeah, we'll take that off once we're finally installed. Okay guys, stay tuned. Hope you like it. Got a little cat gonna help me install this bugger, and yeah, we will get this thing in.